Hello YouTube, Fish Taco here. Another beautiful day, another clamming video. Today we're in Puget Sound looking for geoducks. Let's go. Look at that, that's a horse clam. Look at those little fine like blonde hair, golden hair right there. So when this siphon retract for the horse clam is more rounded. A geoduck is a more like a track, like a football field track, oval shape. This is a horse clam. Woo! See, it's a round hole.
Wow, 这个这么大
That's a big one. That's a big horse clam. Oh, look at that, there's a big horse clam. Look at that. The siphon. Look like that. That is a geoduck. That's a geoduck. It has two siphons. Geoduck, two holes. 1, 2. See, it's an oval shape. 是一个足球场. It's an oval shape. So it's like a football field indentation. Shuffle around the side, get the sand away from the wall so the chips go down deeper. Push it. Yeah. Down. All the way. I think almost done. 好厉害. Oh, that is a huge one. Whoa. Wow.
我去你妈的
团长. Oh. We got one right here, and then one right here. 2, let's go. Woo. 找到吗？
哇 big one
Oh, good job.
yeah
Nice, that's a big one.
这个跟我刚才
够胖，肥的。你看 all that meat like is like a fat dude with like tight, really tight clothing. See, that's a good one. And that's a good one. That's 2 next to each other. I think this is a horse clam. You see, that's a horse clam.
是个马褂。哎呀，
那是应该还有一个对吧？摸到壳就好弄了。
2,000 years later.
哇！
哇！
怨不得多大，我的妈呀！
这是个棒金。When you feel the geoduck in the sand, make sure you don't just pull the nose, pull the end of the siphon. You have to pull as closest to the shell as you can, so that you can shake it so that sand is gonna get loose around it, and then you're gonna slowly pull it out. You can see the big 2 holes on the siphon. This is a big one. This is a really big one. And then when you touch it and when it goes down, it has a sort of a track field sort of shape. Wow, so big. Oh.
Yeah!
Good one. Number 12. Final one. 4 people. That's the limit today. (2025) geoduck season. First bang. Woo!